Now for my verdict. Both are still working and still reliable after more than a year of usage. So, would I recommend this too? Of course, yes. But the TYLEX is much better if you ask me because of the built-in cables, which is a plus of course that you don't need to buy or bring extra cable if ever. Okay, that's it. Hope you've learned something even for just a bit regarding these two good power banks from the TYLEX and BAVIN brands. If ever you got any gadget that you want us to review next time, please don't hesitate to comment. But as mentioned before, we can't assure you that we'll be able to get that product or gadget because we don't have any extra savings and also sponsors yet. Please share us your thoughts and we'll gladly reply as well if you have questions. Even those negative comments we receive, we'll gladly try to reply if worth it to be replied on, especially as mentioned, we're kinda busy now and better not reply to too much negativity in this world. So, if ever you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so that you'll be updated to our next videos. Thanks again for watching guys, goodbye, and please be safe as always.